Hello, I am Shortybiscuit and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Omnia oven. I have wanted one of these for a while. I bake, I have various other camping ovens, but I always thought this was kind of cool, so I said let me get me one, and it was on a very good sale, so I'm happy to have one. I'm gonna try it out today and make some biscuits. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there is a manual or brochure. Oh, there are recipes in here. The knob for the top. This is the pan you bake in. This is the cover. And this is the base that goes on the stove. So I'm gonna get it all assembled and get to baking. It is all assembled. So I have the knob on the top, and like I said, there's this piece you're cooking and this piece that you put on the burner. So those three pieces just go just like this and sit on the burner. I feel like this is a little bit slidey, like I wouldn't, you see, it's just going off. So I'm gonna use my gas ring reducer. This little thing helps a lot when you have smaller pots on bigger burners and it works on just about any stove, any gas stove. So just kind of sit it there and let's see if that has a little bit more friction and it's not sliding. There are holes in the top for vents. These holes can also be used for the thermometer. There's a thermometer you can buy. I instead use my wireless thermometer that I have in this bag. I'll just stick it in the hole, check the temperature that way. And so yeah, let's get with the biscuits. I'll be using these muffin cups, silicone muffin cups in it to make the biscuits versus putting the biscuits directly in there because I don't want to have to clean it, honestly. So there we go. I will hopefully maybe get some more accessories over time, but they're a bit pricey. So we're just gonna go with the muffin cups for now. The base is here preheating. Inside the actual pot, I have 4 biscuits in the silicone cups. So it feels hot to me. I'll let it sit for another minute and then I'm going to put this on there and let it get baked up. I'll check the temperature with my wireless thermometer to see exactly how hot it's getting in there. But hopefully it looks like this is going to work. This feels sufficiently hot to me, so I am going to just put this on there and hope for the best. Okay, check in on the biscuits. I have a feeling that it is too hot in there, and the biscuits on top are looking pretty light still, but at the bottom they've gotten very dark. So I'm gonna need something to raise the biscuits and anything I put in here off of the flame so that the bottoms don't burn but the tops cook. So yeah, let's take these out, add some butter to them and eat some biscuits. Here my biscuits are out of the oven, a little bit burnt at the bottom, but it is a viable choice for baking things. And even in the muffin cup, I'm gonna have to get or make some kind of a rack or something to elevate the thing I'm cooking from the fire. But I will say for a first start, these are wonderful.